How do you turn off a Ring camera? There isn't a single off switch for all Ring cameras. The method depends on the camera model and its power source. Here are different Ring camera types: basic wired cameras, battery-powered models, and solar-powered options. Each requires different powering down methods. Disabling recording and motion detection through the Ring app provides a similar effect to turning off the camera. For battery-powered Ring cameras, like the stick-up cam, start by locating the battery compartment on the back of the device. Press or slide the release mechanism to open the battery compartment. Carefully remove the battery pack from the compartment. Once the battery is removed, the camera is completely disabled and will no longer record or detect motion. Wired Ring cameras like the Doorbell Pro and Floodlight Cam are connected directly to your home's electrical system through hardwired connections. Disconnecting these cameras from their power source will turn them off completely. Here's what the wiring typically looks like in a floodlight fixture. The electrical connections are usually housed in junction boxes with circuit breakers and various wires connecting to the power source. A typical doorbell wiring setup includes a transformer, chime, and push buttons, all connected through your home's electrical system. However, physically disconnecting these electrical connections carries significant risks and should only be done by a qualified electrician. Instead, consider safer alternatives like disabling features through the Ring app. To disable recording and motion detection, open the Ring app and tap Devices in the side menu. Select your camera from the device categories, such as security cams. In the camera settings, locate the motion detection toggle and tap it to turn off motion detection. You can also access motion settings directly from the camera interface to disable recording features. With these settings disabled, your camera remains powered on, but will not record video or send motion notifications, minimizing its activity. The Ring app includes a snooze feature for temporarily deactivating notifications and recordings. Access it through the main interface grid. To activate snooze, select your device and choose duration options ranging from 30 minutes to 12 hours. Confirm your selection and tap Start Snooze to temporarily disable alerts for the chosen period. Here's the effect. Before snoozing, notifications are active. After activation, recordings and alerts pause temporarily. Privacy zones allow you to block specific areas within your camera's view from being recorded or monitored. This helps preserve neighbor privacy by masking out windows, properties, or other sensitive areas. To set up privacy zones, access your camera settings in the Ring app and look for the Privacy Zones option. In the Privacy Zones editor, you'll see your camera's live view. Existing zones appear as gray rectangles that you can resize or reposition. To create a new privacy zone, tap and drag the corner circles to define the rectangular area you want to block. Watch as we draw a privacy zone over the neighbor's property. The rectangle masks that area from the camera's view, preventing it from being recorded or triggering motion alerts. Once applied, the privacy zone appears as a blacked-out area in the camera view, effectively blocking that portion from surveillance. Access the advanced settings in the Ring app for more control over specific alerts and features. Navigate to the Settings menu from the main interface to access advanced options. In the settings, find Alert Settings for your front door camera, where you can customize specific motion detection features. Here you can disable person alerts by toggling off recordings and notifications for person detection. Similarly, you can disable other motion alerts by adjusting the settings for non-person movement. For example, package alerts can be disabled to stop notifications when packages are detected at your door. Let's recap the different ways to turn off or disable your Ring camera. From battery-powered options to app-based settings, there are several methods available. App-based methods like disabling motion detection or using the snooze feature are the safest and most convenient options for most users. Remember to check the specific model of your Ring camera for tailored instructions, as features vary between battery-powered and wired options. Be cautious when disconnecting wired cameras. Always seek professional assistance to avoid damage or safety issues. For more detailed guidance, visit Ring's official support documentation and camera guides.